Got to come clean Darkwing up. See a lot of spots, man. This thing got a lot of work. I'm really leaning on selling this thing, guys. I know y'all tired of hearing me say it, but I'm really leaning on selling this thing. I tried to clean my lens. Didn't do a good job of that. But I'm about to switch these out. See if I can trade them in too, or the dude who does my lights. Who I'm gonna have do my lights. We'll buy them or switch, you know what I'm saying, work out a price for the new ones. You should be able to put them on, but man, there's a lot of imperfections on this thing. I do love this color still. Man, I don't know what that is. I can't really see that. Yeah, though. About to go get some new windshield wipers. That thing's falling off. About to clean the tires right now, though. Just made with some 20-inch Nucci's. You know what I'm saying? R1 concept. Pads and rotors. They dirty. They need to be polished up. Maintaining a car, especially a sports car, you know what I'm saying, takes a lot. Y'all really don't realize it, but it takes a lot once y'all get one. Car needs some air in it. Fix my license plates. That's falling off. I'm gonna get a new license plate. That's coming off. Still gotta take the rest of the wrap off. I need to show y'all this though right here. I did that backing up on the curb, and yeah, man, you can tell it's all bent, but we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna get a new diffuser. Thinking about getting a whole new tail light wrap. And it is going dim down in this area somewhere. Yeah. But other than that, man, it's actually pretty decent. Cleaned out the inside a little bit. I am gonna end up shampooing this thing at the shop, you know what I'm saying? So definitely gonna shampoo this thing. But this thing is, you know what I'm saying, to be what is it, 7-8 years later? 2014. Yeah, 7 years later. Still pretty clean. 73,000 miles, man. I'm really leaning on selling it. I got other things to do in life, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But we is out on a Friday, running errands, working. I'm gonna try to vlog for y'all every weekend. Cause I work during the week and I can't do it. Can't get off. Yeah, man. It's a pretty cool day. It's gonna be like 50 degrees out here in Denver, Colorado. You see the dent from one year it held. Hit them from them angles, otherwise you ain't gonna be able to see them. Yeah, we're gonna clean these tires up though. Probably, I don't know if I'm gonna go get dressed. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Y'all follow along. And I told y'all this is a storyline, man, and how my life's been going. So y'all better tune in. You know what I'm saying? Splash Ventures, episode 2, dropping February 3rd. It'll already be out by the time this video come out. By the time I upload this one, so y'all make sure y'all checking that out. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it rolling. time I clean this thing up, man. Again. We use a Swift P&S. I'll come hit up Lions Den Garage, man. Lions Den Garage. This side first, remember. I want that detail, man. I've been doing other things, man. I got a lot of things going, man, and I have to prioritize everything. Man, I love this P&S Swift. This Swift from P&S. We got the hard brush right here. Hard brush right here. We got the soft brush right here. You know, I'll probably use like right here, maybe for the screen. Feel me? Sometimes in the middle for the dials, so you don't scratch them. The ones that got pretty dials, I can use either one on these though. I'm gonna use the soft one though. Have to spray this, but yeah, stuff like this. Get in there. That. Yeah, where the scratch was so old. Stuff can get in there. You got a blower for that though to get all that stuff out the middle. I just lightly clean mine. You know what I'm saying? I haven't done a full detail. Mine, but anything in there. Sorry about that. Oh, let's see. Here we go. Do that right there too. Just wipe down. Feel me? Should get all up in there, but I did forget to vacuum in there. Yeah, we'll have to vacuum once and then get all up in there. We'll do that at a later time though. Quick little clean. Here. Get that cleaned out. Shift module. Switch these. We're gonna switch this out too. I seen the carbon fiber one on Amazon. This thing pops out too. We're gonna see. Just clean it while it's in here. Clean this middle console up. Probably get the doors and stuff. This comes out too, so I mean I can take this out and clean it. That's nothing. Might as well pop this out too. Forget it. Yep, I'm gonna wipe that down. Some glass cleaner so we can get the windows clean. This window's super dirty. Super dirty. Pretty sure y'all can see it in the POV too. This side, it's microfiber side, just what you want to use for the screens. Always got to have the smell good. I got a secret smell good from Bath and Body Works. I need to go get. I usually don't use these, but wild cherry, I love cherries. Y'all know me, y'all know I love cherries. Love them cherries. Popping cherries. No, let me quit. Get out of there. Yeah, need to clean this middle console up. Badly, yeah. I need to clean it here too. So we're going to have to see what we're going to do about that. If we want to do that today or not. I mean, this is a splash to Don POV. All day long. It's cool. Let me go ahead and clean these. I need 2 hands to clean these. Steering wheel. Cleaned up the door. Pockets. Here and get these dials. This right here is what you got the little blower for. you go. This thing always seems to get ashy, but I clean it up pretty nice all the time. We are get in here and get some of these dials and the dash. Here, we're gonna get this dash. It's all material spray. Oh yeah. Got a little spot in there. Get the dash too. Dash stay clean. All the knobs. Make sure y'all get all the knobs. Hit this faceplate again. All the knobs. See knobs like this and stuff. I don't really want to scratch no matter what. So the back knobs. Back knobs. Wipe it down. The entire steering wheel. You know I didn't really cover that. Shebang down. Like the whole bang down. Back knobs. Make sure we get them back knobs for sure. Okay. Turn it over, microfiber side, gonna hit the glass. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, clean. Get up. Put my smell good back. You know what, we're gonna clean that first. Shifter. Two now. Got one there for the shifter. Then for the shifter. Oh, that there. Oh, put it back on auto. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Come on, cameraman. Polish that thing on up. Good luck, Charles. Back when I got this from Glenwood Springs years ago. Years ago. Yeah, so we gotta get the air nozzle. You know what I'm saying? Air compressor. The air nozzle on that thing. Getting all that. Clean that up. The microfiber side. Yeah. And then we're gonna hit this dash, hit these back seats, hit these doors, hit these windows. I'm gonna show y'all when we done, man. We'll be back.
what I could do though, if you want, we can take it in as a repair, and then
Okay.
Monday when they start, I can
Okay.
give you all the pricing details to do, whatever quality you want to make.
Okay.
Get you the pricing, and if you're good with all that, we can go ahead and fix it.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna wanna cause there's one right there, and I think one right there that needs to be put in too. Might as well, get it all the way.
Okay.
Get it all the way back right. Yeah.
So we'll take a look on Monday, let you know what the deal is.
So,
If you do want to test it, to see if the diamonds, like those like Zales, Hellsberg and stuff, they have
Okay.
those little testers.
little testers.
If you want to do it right now.
No. I just actually, I mean, since I've had it for about 3 or 4 years, I never got it tested. I just trusted them, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah. Which one?
Just so that name for me.
Hard to tell.
No, I mean it looks
Legit.
it looks fine, yeah. It's just like finishing stuff, like didn't like polish anything.
Yeah, you see, and that's what I was getting ready to say. I didn't really want to put that out there, but yeah, because I kind of fell out with him because it took him forever, and he was trying to charge me like $3,000.
For this?
Yeah, for this, I only ended up paying him like $1,200. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you on it. He took forever, and then, you know what I'm saying, so when he brought it to me, I'm saying I had already put down like $800, and then I think I gave him another $3 when he brought this, you know what I'm saying, and I knew it wasn't finished. I just knew it wasn't finished, but.
Okay. Would you have more that was going on or something? Or?
No, I just, you know what I'm saying, no, that was it. He kept telling me that, he kept telling me he was pricing the diamonds and sourcing the diamonds, and then his source didn't have them, so he had to go to another source, and he wanted to get me a better quality, and he just want to go with any kind of diamonds. Just feeding me excuses every time I hit him up about it.
He's from out here.
Yeah, he's from out here, yep. I've been through so many phones. I was actually trying to find it before when I thought about taking this up here. I'm like, man, let me try to find this in old text messages. No, I can't find them though.
So we're gonna price to add diamonds on the bail.
Yep.
And then, if not, like I said, the gold would just be like $60.
Okay.
So that, and then I can tell my guy to come up here and look at it. He can tell you who's got his whole little goggles.
Well, yeah, hell yeah. It was, let me see.
I got big rocks jumping out my fucking.
Well, that must be an old ass video with that old ass song.
Oh, me, yeah, oh, me. Yeah, my T-Mobile service, yeah, I mean, but it was hitting when he first did it, you know what I'm saying? Service.
Yeah. Roxanne, you tell Sean to come up here real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, yeah, you see the bezel right there. Yeah, I don't know, can you see the diamonds? Yeah, maybe like 3 or 4, 5, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. What's his name?
I can't remember. I had the text messages, like I said, we fell out over this, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get nothing else done, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Took him forever.
Huh. That's
Yeah, because he mentioned y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, he was trying to, you know, come up in the jury game, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, yeah, you know, you can do this, you can do that.
Was he a Mexican dude?
Nah,
Black
he
dude?
was a black dude.
Okay.
Yeah, he was a black dude.
I was like, you said you mentioned this. I'm like,
Yeah, you know, I mean, if you in some kind of industry, you know what I'm saying? And, I mean, y'all been doing it for a while, man. I remember y'all just had a little booth. I think maybe it was upstairs. I had the nice ass, the old logo of the Denver Broncos iced out. You know what I'm
shit,
saying?
we were selling silver back in the day. Now we're selling the gold.
See?
Oh shit. He got this done. He never actually got it checked. Just trying to see if the diamonds looked alright, or if they're even diamonds.
Right. That part. Even diamonds. You know what? Y'all did just have silver back then. Y'all didn't have gold.
We had a
Man.
couple of these. I mean, when the kiosk, that was like 10 years ago.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Because I remember that Denver Broncos piece was silver. You know what I'm saying? It was iced out. So I had the color in it too. I had the orange and the blue. Yeah.
Leo broke the charger.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can fix it up. So you got 2 stones missing. So we're looking at to fix the 2 diamonds. See how big this. That's cool. That's all I need. So for both pieces, like $15 a piece, bro. Like
Okay.
$50 to fix the diamonds.
Okay. To put the diamonds in there?
2.
Yeah. Man. That's like the second or third time a couple fell out. I was go to Colorado Mills Mall. He charged me $75 to put another diamond in there.
For one?
For one diamond.
Some people are
Shit. Yeah. See, that's why I need to come here, man. Y'all wasn't here for a while though. I don't know. Or do y'all have another in Colorado Springs?
We were across the hall.
Oh, y'all were. Okay.
It was just kind of in the back. You know,
Okay.
like, out in the open like
Right.
this.
Yeah.
First Street.
Right here. Yeah, because I remember the little shoe store, the retail store was here.
They moved it over there across the hall.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's
But yeah, we
crazy.
get it done for you.
All right, man. Word.
Like I said, just give me till Monday to actually start.
Yeah, man. Nigga ain't no rush.
Start
That's on
the
Monday.
idea.
Yeah, man.
And we'll get it done for you by next
Okay.
week.
All right. Appreciate it.
Let me
Check
take
out
a
Casey's
picture of this real quick. We just take the photos of the stuff just so we know what we got.
Okay. I'm gonna leave this though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Just for the,
Okay.
just so we know what we have next week.
Well,
You know, brother.
chill, man. What about you? With the wedding ring. Let me see where they had the diamond rocks at. Uh-oh, there's a herringbone. I ain't seen one of them in forever. Handicap.
Just bring that in
Okay.
when they call you, and then they'll
Yeah.
give you stuff.
All right, man. I appreciate it. All right, you have a good one. Nugget. All right, y'all. Man, I'm falling off. Man, I got a Cinnabon. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Man, got me a Cinnabon, y'all. Oh, no copyright. This thing is immaculate, y'all. I ain't gonna say immaculate because it could be better. But yeah, I did get some candle for the room, the office while I'm working. You know what I'm saying? Can't be stinking. Got some hand sanitizer. And this is what I've been waiting for right here. Yeah, this is for the car right here. For sure, for sure. Boom. Activates off the heat. It's good to go. I got a center button, man. I gotta get back in the gym, y'all. I gotta get back in the gym. Gotta get back in the gym. But yes, we cleaned this thing out though. Clean this thing out. We're gonna shampoo it next. Yeah, we're gonna shampoo this thing next though, but it's immaculate, y'all. The back always say immaculate because I really didn't. I gotta shampoo it. Because I really didn't have kids back here. I know what time it is though, man. That dash is clean. I know what time it is. We even had to clean the windows. Had to get the windows clean. Yeah, because it was dirty. Y'all see that POV? It was dirty. I know it. We clean out. We can do any kind of POV. Y'all with it? Y'all with it? This is the POV, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. POV, so that means I wasn't showing my face. I don't even know if I showed my face in this video. If I did, oh well. Oh, I forgot to clean up the pedals and stuff. Yeah, man, but this thing is clean. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell so y'all know when I'm uploading. You know? Yes, sir. Clean. Wild cherry, smell good. Now we got the, I still got to clean that out, so don't rate me bad because of that. Don't rate me bad. Don't rate me bad. Don't rate me bad, but I'm gonna see y'all on the next one though. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Splash to Don checking out. Y'all know what time it is, man. Follow along.